Hey, let me ask you something. How often do your own thoughts end up holding you back more than anything else? That inner voice, the doubt, the overthinking, it can quietly influence your decisions without you even realizing it. That's exactly what Free Your Mind from Negative Self Sabotage, Build Identity Beyond Destructive Habits is designed to help you change. This ebook goes beyond simple motivation. Instead of just telling you to think positive, it helps you understand why self sabotage appears in the first place and why it keeps repeating. One of the most powerful ideas is awareness. When you start noticing negative thought patterns as they appear, you create space between impulse and action. That space gives you the chance to choose a different response. The guide also focuses on identity. Real change doesn't come only from forcing new habits, but from shifting how you see yourself. As your mindset changes, your actions begin to follow naturally. Another important aspect is consistency. Small daily shifts can slowly break old patterns and replace them with healthier ones that support your goals. You'll also find practical ways to reduce overthinking, build clarity, and move forward without feeling stuck in the same cycles. This makes it a great choice for anyone who feels like they are getting in their own way or struggling to stay consistent. If you're ready to take control of your thoughts and start building a stronger, clearer mindset, this ebook is a powerful place to begin. You'll find the link in the description. Tap it now and discover how Free Your Mind from Negative Self Sabotage, Build Identity, Beyond Destructive Habits can help you move forward with more clarity, confidence, and control.